जॉइंट बैंक अकाउंट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट नया नहीं है, लेकिन इसमें असली सवाल ये है, क्या इसका मतलब इक्वल कंट्रोल? हिस्ट्री हैज टॉट वुमेन टू शेयर कंट्रोल, नॉट ओन इट। पहले पापा, फिर पति और बाद में बच्चे। एंड टुडे हर दूसरी शादीशुदा औरत का एक जॉइंट अकाउंट जरूर होता है। अ जॉइंट अकाउंट इज एक शेयर्ड अकाउंट जहां दोनों अकाउंट होल्डर्स को इक्वल एक्सेस मिलता है। एटीएम कार्ड, चेकबुक, डेबिट कार्ड, सब कुछ। Sounds fair, right? But in reality, especially in traditional households, power dynamics decide who actually controls the account. एक नाम लिख देना फॉर्म पे doesn't mean real ownership. Let's see statistics क्या बोलता है about female representation when it comes to taking financial decisions. First report is Bharat Lending Report 2025, which tells us that only 10.81% of total credit disbursed in India went to women. Almost half were young women aged 25 to 35. AMFI Factbook 2025 says that only 33% of mutual fund investors in India are women. The rest, 67%, are men. Squire Yards Report 2024 tells us that women bought 1.29 lakh homes in 2024, up 14% from 2020. Traditional assets like gold and real estate still dominate women's investment choices. NFHS 2029-21 report tells us that only 3 out of 10 women in India aged 15 to 49 have health insurance. That's slightly less than men, but it points to a bigger issue. Many women still don't know about or have access to basic financial protection. RAS study says that in many cases, even where women have a bank account, they rely on someone else to operate it. A woman's name may be on the passbook, but decisions often not hers. Trusting your husband with your money is good. बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, but total dependence, not anymore. Joint accounts are like a shared kitchen. सब एक्सेस कर सकता है, but what if you want your own kitchen? अपनी recipes, अपना control. Financial independence means more than earning. It means understanding, managing and growing your money. कमाना important है, लेकिन समझना और control करना उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. If a woman ever has to manage finances on her own, will she be ready? Joint accounts may not be a constant, but financial confidence, अपना account, अपनी salary, अपनी strategy. That's not rebellion. It's responsibility. So let's see what needs to change. Encourage independent bank accounts for all women, not just joint ones. Build financial literacy from school to workplace. Ensure digital access so women can check balances, make payments, and plan budgets on their own. Support women in making investment and insurance decisions. आपका पैसा किस अकाउंट में है, उससे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है उस पे हक किसका है। जॉइंट अकाउंट होना गलत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर डिसीजन लेने के लिए परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है तो क्या वो सच में आपका पैसा है? लेट्स मेक श्योर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ वुमेन डज नॉट जस्ट हैव अ बैंक अकाउंट बट नोज एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू यूज इट। सो लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स, आपका क्या ख्याल है अबाउट वुमेन हैविंग अ जॉइंट बैंक अकाउंट? And also, let us know, how do you think that we can encourage women taking financial decisions in India? If you found this video informational, like, share and subscribe to our channel.